brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I'm Kopal Chima from the Mumbai office on 21st July 2017. Hindustan Zinc produced 1,94,000 tons of zinc during the quarter ended 30th June 2017. The production level is up by 91% as compared to last year. Integrated saleable lead metal production during the quarter was 35,000 tons, up 42% year-on-year. The increase was in line with availability of mined metal, supported by smelter efficiencies. Mined metal production stood at 2,33,000 tons during the quarter. This is up by 84% year-on-year. The increase was primarily on account of higher volumes from all mines, higher zinc grade and depletion of opening ore stock. Emphasizing on company's plans to focus on underground mines, Agnivesh Agrawal, chairman, said, I quote, "Our underground mines delivered their highest ever volumes this quarter, underpinning our smooth transition to an entirely underground mining company. Zinc prices strengthened towards the quarter end on continued supply deficits and declining inventories of zinc. We look forward to setting a new benchmark this year." End quote. In steel, Tata Steel is expected to raise flat steel product prices by Rs 500 to Rs 1,000 effective from 1st August 2017. The European Commission has proposed minimum import prices on hot rolled flat steel from Brazil, Iran, Russia and Ukraine. Metals Update had earlier reported that the EU may plan to come up with duties on HRF imports from these countries. The European Steel Association, or EUROFER, comments on the proposed MIP by saying that the proposal sets an unworkable precedent that allows for the continuation of dumping and as a consequence promotes overcapacity in exporting countries. Axel Egert, Director General of the EUROFER, said, I quote, "Dumping, injury and casualty have each clearly been demonstrated in this case. How can an MIP that allows the continuation of dumping and price undercutting be chosen just to benefit a minor fraction of user interests? No, substantiated union interest justification exists here." End quote. The 5 countries included in this anti-dumping case are Brazil, Iran, Russia, Serbia and Ukraine, though the European Commission proposes to exclude Serbia from measures. Hot roll flat is an essential steel product because it is widely used for both in final production and as an input for the creation of other types of steel such as cold roll. In iron ore prices at Dalian Commodity Exchange fell by 1.71% on Friday and settled at 516.5 yuan per ton after observing a continuous rally since mid-June. While demand from housing infrastructure construction along with belt and road initiative investments in China prevail, analysts say mills have been slowing down their restocking process, which put pressure on demands for raw materials including iron ore. The increasing inventory in steel products along with the heat wave across nations to impose anti-dumping measures will result in a bear market for steel and the ferrous metal markets, say analysts. Iron ore's revival has been driven by signs of stronger than expected demand in China. Output of the alloy by the country's mills expanded a record in June as steel prices increased, supporting producers' profits as well as benefiting miners including Rio Tinto Group and BHP Billiton. Drop in iron ore also pulled down rebar prices at SHFE. Rebar recorded a steep high of 0.88% on Thursday, which settled at 3,625 yuan per ton on Friday, registering a fall by 1.44%. Iron ore supplies are still expanding, especially from low-cost miners in Australia and Brazil. Earlier this week, BHP reported a rise in output in the 3 months to June and forecast a gain of as much as 4% in the current financial year. On Thursday, Anglo American reported that second quarter ore production climbed 27% to 15.7 million tons. In international offers, aluminium ingot offers at Shanghai port on FOB basis for Friday have been reported at $2,100 per metric ton. It witnessed a 0.57% decrease from Thursday's offer, which stood at $2,112 per metric ton. Aluminium foil offers on the same basis have been reported at $2,600 per metric ton at Shanghai port. It observed a 0.46% decrease as compared to Thursday's offer, which stood at $2,612 per metric ton. In domestic ferrous offers, Metals Update assessed offers from MS Scrap from Mandi Gobitgar market at Rs 19,400 per ton, while MS ingot at Mandi Gobindgarh is being quoted at Rs 28,400 per ton. At Ghaziabad and Kolkata, the offers have been recorded at Rs 27,300 and Rs 26,000 per ton respectively on Friday. In domestic non-ferrous offers, Metals Update assessed spot offers of aluminium ingot from Delhi market at Rs 132 per kg. Copper mixed scrap is being offered at Rs 325 per kg and zinc ingot is being offered at Rs 204.5 per kg on Friday. Thank you for watching. Join us again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead.